morning, everybody. This is Michelle from Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. I wanted to share with you a project that I made using a tutorial by one of our very own Country Craft Creations designers, Jen Palmer. It is absolutely adorable. She made a wallet, which she called the Sweet and Spooky Photo Wallet. She did a tutorial in September, and I will have a link down below in the description so you can see it. And it's an absolutely cute wallet, and as soon as I saw it, I just knew I had to make it. So I just wanted to share with you what I did and then give her a shout out for a great design, and it was really fun to do. I used papers from a previous design team package that I had left over. This was called Fall Fever by Echo Park. Now, I don't believe that it is still available, but this would work in any other fall colors. And since today I'm filming November 1st, so I'll probably post this tomorrow. Since it's fall, I mean, Halloween's over, right? Now I'm going to make some fall creations. So I wanted to make this, and it is super fast, super easy. Love it, adore it. And I just wanted to share it with you. So again, this is old design team papers that I had using Fall Fever by Echo Park, and the tutorial is by Jen Palmer, and it is her Sweet and Spooky Photo Wallet. So it's really cute. It is, in total, it is about 8.5 by 5, I believe. Yep, with a 1/2 inch spine. And she designed it just like a wallet. So I had a couple ideas when I made it. I thought this would be really cute to hold ephemera. It would also is super cute as an album, so I decided to go with the album idea. I did add a couple extra things, but it has a magnet closure on it. I put a chipboard piece on the front and some, leaf stickers here on it. And it says, "Leaves are falling, autumn is calling." Had the little pumpkin sticker here that I just did a right angle cut on to put on the corner. The back of this, I left plain and put a house sticker and then family here. So this did kind of morph into, I actually was thinking of making it an ephemera holder, but I changed my mind. And you'll see why in a second. It's just adorable. So again, this is all using scraps too. Like I had odd size pieces, and this was perfect to kind of use up those little bits and pieces. So there's the front. It opens up. Again, there's a magnet closure here. I did end up using 3 magnets in this particular project because I did add something to it. I'll show you in a minute. I put photo mats here 3x3 with the colored cardstock that came with the pattern paper collection, and then I adhered the die cut here that I had left over in the middle. I left this part blank since it's kind of the front of this wallet. I did put a sticker up here. I just wanted to break up the red a little bit and then kind of tie it into the orange here. So this is one of the stickers from the collection. So then it opens up, and it literally is designed after her wallet. So it's super cute. So there's a pocket here. There's a pocket here. You have all these little bits here. And then there's a secret pocket under here as well. And that, again, is because of the wallet that she had. So in these big pockets, I put the 4x6 cut aparts that I had left over. So I've got 2 in each of those. Dig those out. And she shows you how to do all of the cutting for this using your envelope punch board to go ahead and make the notches for the pockets. So in these pockets here, I just put pieces of extra of the colored coordinated cardstock in here, and I just left those plain. This doesn't have, once I filled it up, it doesn't have a whole lot of room, so I didn't put a lot of dimensional decoration or anything in here, but you have places for 4 different slots here. And then on top of here, she had a really cool acetate pocket, but instead of doing that, because I didn't have any cool acetate, I just did a photo mat and used one of the cut aparts here. Now down here is where I did shake it up just a little bit. So on hers, the pockets were adhered directly to the top flap. In her tutorial, I just added a back and a hinge and made them so that they flip up. So in these pockets, I put in extra 3x4 cut aparts, which they fit absolutely perfect in these pockets. So I'll take them out so you can see, what it looks like underneath, but super full of stuff. I added die cut here and here, and I did it so that you could add a picture underneath there. And then these flip open, and this is what I did do different. Again, just added a back to the pocket assembly and then glued it to the top of the flap that she did. And then I made this into a photo mat, added a cut apart here. And then in the top pocket of these assemblies, so there's a top pocket right here, I just put a piece of the colored cardstock and I folded it like a booklet. So it just tucks in the top, and when you open the flaps up, then you have that you can pull out, and then you have a photo mat here. So I did 2 of those and just use the cut aparts here. And then I did add magnets to close those. And even with all of the layers of this pattern paper, they close and they stay in place really nicely. And then these just tuck into the pockets on the front. And I thought that was kind of a really cool idea. So you have that. And then there's a flap that opens up here. I added a photo mat with 2 of the die cuts that I had. And then back here, I added a small pocket. And then I just put the rest of the cut aparts that I had left over. So I had a bunch of 4x4s and a couple 3x3s that I just put in there and added to the mix. So those just will all tuck into here. So these will be great to add photos on the back. I thought that was kind of fun, and I was able to kind of, so you can see why I was thinking this could be a good storage too, because there's just lots of pockets. So this was, as she described, like a checkbook kind of flip, and that's kind of why I decided to put a pocket here, as if you were going to add a checkbook or something like that. And then I did add on top the backing to these so that I could just make a flip. But anyway, that's what I did with her project, and I think it's really adorable. I did use 3 magnets in here, and then the cardstock is the chocolate brown felt artisan cardstock from Country Craft Creations, and it fit this collection absolutely perfectly. So go check out Jen Palmer's tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I will be back soon with more tutorials, shares, and fun things. So stay crafty, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.